So I put my hands up to play my song, butterflies flying away. Hello my babies, you're here again with me, Bea B. Welcome back to my channel. What was that sound? I'm not really sure. I think it was some kind of vocalization. As you can see from the title, I finally got my dream bag, which is a Birkin 25. What was I thinking? I'm not really sure. I've honestly gone back and forth with this one because it is a ridiculously expensive purchase, and I decided to just go ahead and do it already because I'm sure prices are going to go up anyway. So if I do regret this decision, I can always sell it later on. But I wanted to take this opportunity to share with you guys how B25 gold on gold looks like. And we're going to be doing an unboxing, what fits, and how it looks when worn. I don't know why I'm blocking my armpit. Let's get the show on the road. Opening up this box. It is actually a pretty small box because it is a pretty small bag. For me, it really has to be the 25 because it is the most usable size of all the Birkins. And oh my god. To be perfectly honest, I already opened this box and looked at the bag because I was just so darn excited. But we're going to do a reenactment as usual, so let's go. Okay, here she is. This, my friends, is a Birkin 25 in the flesh. So as you guys know, Birkin doesn't have a strap. It just comes like this. You hold it by the handles. Let's check it out. Gold on gold is like this highly coveted combo, right? And so when I saw it, I was like, okay, I need that for my life. It basically means you have gold hardware with gold colored leather, and by gold it's like this tan, which looks very orange on camera actually, but in person it looks a lot darker. I was surprised with how dark it looks, but I think that's what makes it so popular. It's because it is so dark and you can totally wear it with anything. You won't have to worry about wearing light clothes with this color right here. So basically you have your bag, you don't have any outer pouches or anything. You have your feet over here at the bottom, you have your handles, and over here you have your very secure Birkin lock, right? Actually, there are still little plastic covers on the hardware, but I'm not gonna remove that. A lot of people just wear their Birkins like this, just open, which is I think what I would do as well, just because I'm a lazy person and I cannot possibly be bothered with closing it and locking it every single time. It comes with its lock and key, the key clochette. How do you say that? But this is what it looks like over here, your lock and your keys. Yes! I have the booklet and the raincoat as well. Inside the bag, you have a side pocket over here in the front. And then at the back, you also have one more, but this time it comes with a zipper. Now this bag is a bit slouchy because it is from 2016. I actually have the entropy as well over here. Bam! Entropy. Let's not show it. But yeah, basically that's just to certify that this is a real bag. And I guess that's it. How much did this cost? Let's not talk about that. Let's talk about something else. Let's deviate right now. What fits in this bag? It is kind of huge, you know, it's not a mini bag, so I think everything's gonna fit in here. My standards would be, you know, a cell phone, took up no space at all. I have a pretty small wallet, and then I have a comb and a lippy, always, always, always. It has so much space, so I'm gonna put a little mini fan as well. Et voila! It is a mess in there. I'm gonna be honest, it is quite heavy right now. This is not a lightweight bag, so I'm gonna try removing the fan is still heavy. Well, the leather, you know, it's not Epsom, so it's bound to be a little on the heavier side. I knew that. But with just the basics, I'm gonna say right now, I'm not gonna wear this to like a whole day outing type of thing. This is gonna be like a night out, dinner type of situation, because this is going to make your hands hurt. Okay, I already know. Okay, so for reference, I am 5'6", and I just wanted to do like a far shot so you guys can see how big 25 looks like on me. I think this is a very medium-sized bag. It's not tiny, but it is definitely not huge. It is something that you can wear to kind of anywhere, right? Because size really plays a big part with what kind of event you're going to. I mean, it seems a little ridiculous to wear like a B35 if you're just going out to dinner, right? But for just normal going out, I think the 25 is ideal, truly. So as I mentioned, you can't really do anything but just hold it by the handles. I would maybe do this sometimes if I'm getting tired, but I think just by the handles is really the way. So there you go, pretty short and sweet. Basically, the pros for me, this is a bag that is pretty worth investing in because the prices just go up and up and up. So if you have the extra funds to kind of get your bag while it is still at a reasonable range, maybe you can do that. I mean, just if you have some extra funds to spare. Because honestly, I know that if I just wait a couple of years, I can sell it for the exact same amount or even higher. With the color as well, the golden gold, you can't possibly go wrong because a lot of people just want this color. I want this color. And if you take good care of it, this is gonna last you forever. Cons, obviously it kind of sucks that it's heavy. It is not the most easy bag to wear, but it is what it is. Another con for me personally is the fact that this is not my bag. Yeah, so guys, I just basically borrowed this bag from my friend and I just wanted to make a video and prank you. No, but seriously, I just really want a Birkin 25 so much that I've been like itching. I've been on the lookout and scouting for the perfect one that is within my budget. I'm trying to find a deal here. On the road to that, I just really wanted to borrow this and feel and experience what it is like to kind of just do a Birkin unboxing for my YouTube. So I'm sorry, is it bad that I did this? I'm not really sure. But well, just by doing this type of video, I am now certain that I do want a Birkin 25. Like, I am now so sure that I'm not going to second guess my decision. If I find a Birkin 25 in the condition that I want it to be, I think I might just pull the trigger. So Hermes, God help me out here. Because sometimes I see online, because I follow these resellers, right? I see online there's a good deal for like a Birkin 30. There's a good deal for like a 35, but obviously that's too big for me. And I've been thinking maybe I should just get a 30 because they're somehow cheaper slightly. But I think no, I'm gonna stand my ground and really get a 25 because look how adorable. Look how cute. I'm definitely going to get a 25, and gold on gold is so amazing. But I am still pretty much open to other neutral colors like black or maybe gray. So I don't know, let's see what happens. Anyway guys, that's all the time I have for today. I hope you enjoyed this video, even if this is not my bag. And that kind of explains why I didn't really get into the nitty-gritty of like the year and the materials and everything. Not my typical super detailed unboxing, but I hope you enjoyed this nonetheless, because I did. If I missed out on any questions, please let me know right away because I'm going to return this bag already. I don't want to, but I must. I'll see you guys again next time. Peace and love. Bye.